Alright guys, it's a new day, it's a new vlog, and guess what? Where we are going? We are going to Melbourne. Right now we are heading from home to Brisbane airport, and this is day 4 of being in Brisbane. So day 1 is when we travel from Amsterdam to Brisbane, and part 2 is from Brisbane going home, and now we are on the third video. So the plan was actually to go straight from Amsterdam to Melbourne for the conference going on Angola Kapuk, but Peola we didn't we were too tired. We had to rest, so we came to Brisbane. We rested for a day. We arrived in Brisbane on date 29th of December 2025, early in the morning. So that's where you saw the part 2 video. That was the 29th. Day 30 we rested at home, and then day 31 we traveled. This day we traveled from Brisbane airport all the way to Melbourne for the first time ever. So you're gonna witness how I find Melbourne city. We went for the conference. That's the next video, guys. The next video is going to be all about the conference, so stay tuned. Thank you for returning to my YouTube channel, and if you're new on this channel, we do vlogging, we do a lot of lifestyle videos, we do a lot of traveling, and a lot more of dancing. Thank you and enjoy the video. What is Melbourne, Kumberi? Melbourne. First time in Melbourne. Hey. Very excited to reach here. So let's tour around. We have a problem with our luggage. It was too heavy. It was too heavy, so that to deport it with a different plane. So we are stranded right now.
We are not
Luggage,
stranded. We are
luggage
not
less,
stranded at all.
luggage lows. I said that we are stranded. Someone didn't believe
No,
me.
I did not at the video. We are not
So
stranded.
now she believes
We have
me.
faith.
We have no luggage. We are
have
stranded.
faith.
No clothes.
No, we have
Eh?
who have clothes. I have my makeup.
At least you,
This bag.
this girl.
What is the same color? So you use mine.
Karen. They send us to the baggage services. So this is the third desk now that they're sending us to. I hope they can help us here. We are trying to find out where our luggage is. It's coming with a different airplane.
What's up? Snapchat.
What's up? I'm picking up. This Snapchat. Okay, let me tell you guys what really happened here. I feel like taking you guys back for a bit. So when we arrived in Brisbane airport, right? We went through the gate, everything was fine. We checked in our bags, but then at the entrance, right, where you wait for at the gate, apparently when you are traveling within Australia itself, within domestic flights, the limit of your baggage is supposed to be 7 kilo, 7 kilo or 7.5. We didn't know that. We didn't read the guidelines, so mine was 15 kilos. It was supposed to be 7 kilos, even for above the limit. So the woman at the gate was yelling at us because we were one of the last people at the check-in. So she was like, "How come you guys are bringing double It's more than the limit. It's written down in the guidelines. So people need to read better. She was yelling at us. At the end, we had to pay like $80 per person. And they deported with a different flight.
Heavy. We couldn't take it with us. So they seized our luggage and said they're gonna put in the next available flight. Yes.
Okay. What kind of luggage is that?
It's just a small bag.
Bag.
3 of us, yes.
You guys
It's like a suitcase, a small suitcase.
Cabin bag.
It wasn't too big, but it's just heavy. It was like 2 or 3 kilo heavier.
Okay. Did you come up with the 561?
Let's see. Yeah, 561.
How much?
Yeah, true.
We all have to fill it. 3 baggage.
Yeah, I know you pay for it.
Okay, just one is fine.
The back is just give me your address. As soon as I get rid of it, I'll give you back your address.
Oh, dear.
What do you have in? You have all your wheels in it?
We
All
are,
your
yeah,
gold,
all
your
the
gold.
millions are in it. Because we need the bag before 3 p.m.
Well, the most important thing is put them in.
I'm actually Brisbane. We don't
you
live
live
here.
in Brisbane?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're just on holiday here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need your address here, not your Brisbane address.
We don't have here address.
No, but where are you gonna stay?
In a hotel.
Yeah, so the hotel address.
Do you have the hotel address?
You can Google it. And then when you get to the hotel, tell the receptionist you're expecting a bag.
Ah, okay.
Oh, they
and
will
they're gonna
send
send
it
it
to
to
hotel.
us. Oh, we have to come.
No, I'll send it to the hotel. I'll give you a call.
Yeah.
To find out if you're still in the hotel or you guys are out chilling somewhere or whatever it is. And then, yeah, we'll send it to the hotel.
Oh, we don't have to come and pick it from here.
If you're not far from the hotel, you can come pick it up.
No, we don't want to come and pick it.
Okay.
If you can send it, we accept that.
I'll just put my phone number. Like a queen.
Is that a queue?
Relax.
It looks like a jet. We a bit of gulung-gulung dar.
Queen, yeah. I'm the one riding. You there? I'm gonna be cute.
Gulung-gulung.
Gulung-gulung ka, chiang nga. Oh, yeah, you know that primary 3 is writing. Activating it.
Guys, yeah, I have to talk fast because I don't want the video to be too long. But tell me why. Tell me why I traveled all the way from Brisbane with glue on my eyelashes to Melbourne. And no one told me. No one told me anything. Like, what are those? I know you guys can see this. I was disappointed. You know the meaning of disappointed. I did these eyelashes early in the morning before coming. So I didn't know there was like glue was left behind on my eyelashes. I'm there walking through the airport. I know you guys have been seeing it the entire video. It has been there. But if disappointment was a person, it was me that day. Cause what, bro? Like, not even a stranger tapping me on the shoulders. Like, girl, what's going on with those eyelashes? No one? Really? Anyways, this is the end of the video. Thank you for staying until the end.